it's Katya with Lunar Sun Creations. Happy New Year! I know I'm a little late to the party, but at least I showed up. Eventually. I'm here now, and I ended last year, 2020, with a giveaway. So I thought I might as well start 2021 with another giveaway. Why not? End it and start it the same way. So 2020, wow. That was one heck of a year. And so we are saying goodbye to it. Sayonara, adios. We are done with 2020. Hopefully 2021 will be a much smoother year. So in saying that, there also was good things that happened in 2020. So that's what this giveaway is all about. To be entered in this giveaway, I just want you to comment down below something awesome that happened in 2020, because we know that there was positive things. In my own life, things that happened in 2020 that were positive. Lunar Sun Creations had its best year yet, so that was awesome, and big thanks to you, so yay you! I also was promoted to manager of the restaurant that I work at, so that was pretty awesome. And on a more personal note, my boyfriend has been battling cancer for all of 2020. We've got a CT scan back that says it is almost gone. So yay, a couple more treatments and we should be good. So this giveaway is for people in North America. Unfortunately, shipping is just far too expensive for international. Sorry guys. So if you are in North America, and you must be a subscriber to my channel as well, to be entered. And I will be drawing the winner on, what's today? Today's Monday, so let's go with Friday. So whatever Friday is. I don't know what day we're on. Alright, so I hope you're doing really well. I've got so many awesome things planned for 2021, so many ideas for videos, like a huge list of them. So please subscribe if you are wanting to see crafty videos. I'm going to be doing some alcoholic, some jewelry, polymer clay, stamping techniques. Oh man, the list goes on and on. So many things that I want to do and want to try for the first time. So if you are interested in any of those things, and I also do monthly giveaways, so please subscribe for more videos on all of those. Sending you so much love, and remember to always search for your rainbow. Every situation, no matter how bad it might seem at the time, has a rainbow. You just have to look for it. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, so here is what the giveaway pack is. You'll be getting a blade for a paper trimmer, a white chalk writer, and I've got some things in here. Where are they? There we go. And some chalk wood embellishments. This one's fallen out of place. Chalk wood embellishments. Some double-sided score tape. This is a 1/4 inch. Some stamps. I kind of themed it towards Valentine's Day, although I'm not positive that whoever gets this will get it in time for Valentine's Day, because the postal service hasn't been incredibly speedy lately. But we'll try. Some love stickers. A little planner organizer. I thought this was really cute. It's not specifically Valentine's Day, but there was like all kinds of things, and there's a whole bunch of hearts and stuff, so I thought that might be kind of in theme. So a whole notepad full of organizer planner stickers. Some puffed up dimensional stickers that have some really nice sentiments. Some more kind of puffy, they almost look like they're quilted. They're really, really quite cool. And they're very shiny. Some like kind of metallic puffy stickers. And then some really, really gold glittery heart stickers. and there's a lot of them. Okay, so that is the January prize pack giveaway. So kind of Valentine's Day themed. And I will do the draw on Friday. So what day is Friday? So January, Friday 15th, I will be doing the draw. So yeah, good luck to everybody. And you must be a subscriber of my channel to be entered into the draw. And comment down below of something positive that happened to you in 2020. All right, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Sending you huge hugs. Bye.